डू यू कन्फ्यूज्ड बिटवीन सिंस के फॉर, बाय के until? Hello everyone, this is Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. આજે આપણે એડવાન્સ્ડ પ્રેપોઝિશન્સ ઇઝી વેથી માસ્ટર કરીશું. After this video, you can speak English easily. Let's start. We start with since versus for. This is important topic for exam. Now use of since. Since means starting point, fixed time. Examples: since 2020, since Monday, since morning. Now use of for. Duration of time, approx time. Examples: for 2 years, for 5 days, for a long time. Easy trick. Point, use since. Duration, use for. Now we learn by versus till until. By, before deadline. Example: finish by 5. 5 વાગ્યા પહેલા complete. Now until, till. Continue up to time. Example: wait until 5 p.m. 5 વાગ્યા સુધી continue. Now between versus among. Between, two person, two things. બે વ્યક્તિ કે બે વસ્તુની વચ્ચે. Example: between Ram and Shyam. Now among. Among, more than two. બે થી વધારે વ્યક્તિ કે વસ્તુ વચ્ચે. Examples: among students, among children. Now beside versus besides. Beside, next to. Example: sit beside me. Now besides, additionally. Example: besides English, I know Gujarati. Now in versus into. Into, movement inside. Example: he went into the room. Now in, already inside. Example: he is in the room. On time versus in time. On time, exact time. Example: train arrived on time. Now in time, before late. Example: we reached in time. Some advanced fixed prepositions. Examples: good at, interested in, afraid of, depend on, listen to. These are important combinations. Now use in sentence. She is good at English. I'm interested in music. Now let's fix some common mistakes that made by students. First number, discuss about. No, discuss. Second number, order for food. No, order food. Next one, married with. No, married to. Last one, enter into the room. No, enter the room. આજે આપણે prepositions advanced level પર master કર્યું. Now quick revise what we learned today. Since versus for. By versus till until. Beside versus besides. On time versus in time. Common mistakes. આ ટોપિકથી તમારો ઇંગ્લિશ વધુ નેચરલ બનશે. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.